Hi friends, welcome to iPhoneTopics.com YouTube channel. Today's video is going to show you how to fix verification required in App Store. First, I'm going to tell you what causes this issue. Go to Settings. Scroll down to find iTunes and App Store and tap it. Tap Apple ID. Select View Apple ID in the pop-up box. Find Purchase History and tap it. Check if there is an outstanding balance for any purchase. Sometimes outstanding balance may cause this issue. Tap Done. Now I am going to tell you how to fix this issue. Go to Settings. Scroll down to find iTunes and App Store and tap it. Tap Apple ID. Tap View Apple ID and tap Payment Information. Tap None under Payment Method. Select Done. Again select Done. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.